Hi, my name is Ana Castro, and I'm an architect and interior designer, and I work for Creating Homes.
Hi, my name is Laura Vidal. I'm the owner and the founder of Creating Homes.
You have to say you're the owner, huh?
So the typical projects we are involved is basically the renovation of a house and also people who set up a business. So we do offices and commercial and also bars and restaurants. So when we talk about residential, we have to think that people before they thought Dubai was a short time period, but now people realize that Dubai is going to be for a longer period. So they want a house that they really like. So they want to get rid of this typical house that you have all over of this.
And the quality here in Dubai, unfortunately, is not that good as a root thing.
So you have the level
tile
of
fittings, nothing. You can see that it's not perfectly done.
And you have to think that all the developments, so all the houses are the same, all the apartments are the same. So the only way you're going to make a difference is with the interior design. Dubai is unique in terms of design because you have different nationalities and you have different cultures, and it's mixed. People from the West, they want to take the trendies and they home, this
minimalist European style, or you have a lot of people that come from Asia as well. So you have a lot of Indians and a lot of course, Arabic people. So it's a little bit of a globalization sector. So you have to consider this mixture of trends and mixture of cultures.
Here, the difference between Dubai and Europe, or Spain or Europe, whatever, so is the size of the apartments. So you have one bedroom apartment is 100 square meters. In Europe, 100 square meters for bedroom apartment,
yes.
You know? So you have a space here and it's always unique. So we're very happy to work in spaces that are open spaces. So it gives you the chance to mix different, to make a mixture
Yes.
into different areas, so and materials. Yeah, that's the thing is unique in Dubai. Of course, you have a lot of towers, for example, JBR or Dubai Marina. It seems that the apartments are very, very alike. But the thing is that you can't always break a wall, make a space bigger. You can always open the kitchen. You can integrate one bathroom into another bedroom. So there's a lot of possibilities because you have a lot of space. First of all, what we do is we meet our client in his place, and then we take measurements.
Take our weapon.
Yes. We take measurements and we have this conversation about what he wants and what he needs, whatever. Yeah. And then we come back here and then we do the floor plannings and everything. So the first thing is the layout. So we have to be very focused on the layout. So it has to be very practical, very convenient for the person, for the client. So then after that, we can do our proposal. And that proposal includes
Colors,
materials, everything.
So the first thing is demolition. So we go and we take everything down. We mark. We go with the contractor and we mark with a big red cross the walls that he needs to knock out, everything. So then they start building up the partitions that needs to be built, everything. So after that, we do the tiling and, for example, in the bathrooms, everything, the pipes, the electrical works, everything has to be fixed in place.
The thing is that the furniture is the last thing that comes in the house, okay? Because we have to take a lot of care of that. So, and the thing is that since we are every day on the site, so checking all the works, and we also are in the factory, so it's a parallel work, you know? Right. So we know exactly what's happening all the time.
And in the end, details make the difference. So I say that in most of our projects, we design and we custom made everything. And then different pieces, so for example, chairs and sofas and lights, that it's a different area for us. Then we try to bring them from Italy or these kind of things.
So we have a factory here in Dubai that it's a carpentry factory that we're very close to them. And I've been working with them for the last 5 years. The first year was about finishing, quality, details and how we like the simple things, like I like this type of hinges and I like this thing because this is how we built stuff in Europe, and I wanted also to bring my stuff to Dubai.
The knowledge.
Yes, and to be honest with you, I really love to working here because I have all the handymans, I have all the people who work in the factories, they work with their hands. So the factory I used to have in Spain, there was all about machines and very few people. Here you have a lot of people and very few machines, you know? And it's very nice because then you can customize as much as you want, you can go into the detail, you know? We are very lucky working in Dubai because here the people are very open-minded. There are people for different parts of the world with a certain age, so it's very easy to introduce new materials. And yeah, we're very lucky with this. I think it's completely different from my background. It was 15 years in Spain. That it's a little bit complicated sometimes to be innovative.
To impose new things and new materials. So even the mixture of materials, which is something that you have to take a step further. As we said, we are very perfectionist and we want to give the best of the best for our clients. We want to give everything very immaculated.
It's a Turkin project. That means that the client gives us the key the day we start and we hand over the property and the key clean, so you can easily go and live in the